Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm sitting in another spot. The way my setup is now, that is going to be my main setup, but every now and then you'll see me sit on my bed or sit in front of my makeup vanity, which is right here. And you guys will be getting here coming soon. I know I've been talking about it, but I've been trying to finish up the rest of my storage and all of that before I showed you. I want it to be fully happy in how I have it set up before I shared that. So that will be coming very, very soon. So look for that. And then I'll also share, where I put everything and all of that. This video today, I am doing a collab video with a really good friend of mine here on YouTube. Her name is Jessica, and she is from Behind the Vanity. So definitely check out her channel. If you are not already subscribed to her, I would really appreciate it that you go over, check out her channel, and subscribe to her. She is really, really good at makeup looks, and she's doing a series right now called Dollar Divas, and she's just testing a lot of Dollar Tree makeup items and beauty items for you guys. So if you love Dollar Tree, definitely check her out. But she also does a lot of makeup looks. She does makeup weekly baskets, which are really, really fun. And she recently did some of her palette collection. She does a real open variety of videos on her channel. So please go check her out. So we are doing a collab video, and in this collab video, it doesn't have anything to do with a look or anything like that. We did a Dollar Tree swap. So basically, we went to our local Dollar Trees where we live, and we picked out whatever items. It could be makeup related, it could be whatever, it doesn't matter. And we sent each other different items that we wanted to give to each other. So I have opened the box. She did wrap everything really cute and nicely. And for the sake of the video and time, I did go ahead and unwrap everything and get it prepared. So I'm just going to show you everything that she sent me for our Dollar Tree swap. And if you're wondering about this eye look, it is from a Dollar Tree palette that I bought. I forgot the name of it, but it's one of those foreshadow quads, I think, that I showed you guys in a haul video, Dollar Tree haul video. I will leave that link down below or here up in the cards for you guys if you want to check it out. Very surprisingly, it was a very, very good palette. I am happy with it, and I would pick up more for sure. I think it's definitely worth $1. If it was $3, I think it would be worth it. So definitely check out your local Dollar Tree. Thank you, Jessica, so much. She did put a really beautiful card in there, and I did put that away. And she also did send me a little extra. She sent me a gift card to TJ Maxx for my birthday. Thank you so much. She knows I love my TJ Maxx. However, ours has opened, but I'm still giving myself some time before going, because what I seen, the one up the street by my house, there's a long line, and I want to give myself some more time before trying to rush in there, but it will be getting used, so no worries about that. Enough with all the rambling, let's actually get into the video. The first thing she sent me are these Viola Decorative Shred, can't talk today, Shred. These little guys that you would put in like boxes and stuff. Always happy to have these. I do have a giveaway that's currently going on. If you haven't watched that video or entered, I will put that down below for you as well. So she knows I'm going to need these for a package, for the package when I mail them out. So excited about these. And she got some really cute colors. I love these, and you can't beat that for $1. Next thing she got me was the April Bath and Showers facial scrubs. I have heard a lot of things about these in general for the face, that they are really, really good at getting that extra dirt. It comes with a 2-pack, and it does feel really nice. So I'm going to definitely be trying this out tonight when I wash my face. So I'm excited about those. I don't remember if I've seen those at my Dollar Tree or not, but I have seen on YouTube a lot of people raving about those kind of things in general for washing your face. I did get a silicone brush cleaner in a unicorn. Super cute. You can never have too many of these. And the funny thing is, I sent her one of these as well. I'll let her tell you in the video what kind and share with you what I got her. But my daughter, when I bought hers, my daughter saw this and she wanted this. So now my daughter and myself have a unicorn one. So it's really, really cute. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so I really like that. And that would be great for travel as well to bring. And this next item is Clorox Disinfecting Wipes in Crisp Lemon. It has 15. And the funny thing was is that before I opened the box, I told my husband we went to Target today, and I said I forgot to get some Clorox wipes in the bag like this for the vehicles to keep in there. I completely forgot. I opened the box from her, and there and behold was one. So this will be going in one of our vehicles. Thank you so much, and I love lemon scent. The next item is this fortune pin unicorn to do. It says slide on a rainbow. Has different little sayings when you click it. These are really cute to like take your little notes and keep in your purse and all of that. So I like that. Hopefully my daughter won't steal it from me because she loves unicorns. And then it looks like she got me some scrunchies, which you can never have enough of. The elastic black ones, it comes with 8, which is a really good deal, and it is a scrunchie brand. And then it has this little extra guy, which I love these. I currently use these in my hair when I'm doing buns or just throwing my hair up. I like to use these when I'm doing like the original scrunchies. I'll use those when I'm doing like braids in my hair or things like that, but I use these mostly when the keyring looking ones, I use those mostly when I'm putting it up in a bun or something because I like a loose bun. So excited about that. And we told each other that it could be whatever, house things, it doesn't matter, it could be whatever. So she did get me 3 packages, I believe, Viola tissue paper. She got me this print here, which is very, very pretty. It's like a soft pink and then a bright pink. These are going to be great. I have my birthdays coming up. I have several people's birthdays, so these will come in handy. She did get this one here with the silver. And then this is like a mint green, I would say, or turquoise on this side. Very cute. I don't know if I've ever seen those at my Dollar Tree, but I have seen tissue paper, just not those specific ones. And then I got a pair of Univer Sole socks. They look like that, and they feel really good quality. They're really soft right in here and kind of thick but thin in here, and they feel really stretchy, and these for sure will fit my tiny little feet, so those are really nice. It's saying that they're quick drying, universal stretch, and comfort for all. So yeah, I'm excited about those. Get a pair of scissors. Look how pretty those are. And mine were actually starting to go dull, so this is going to be really nice, especially to keep at my makeup area when I am opening packages. The ones I currently have are getting old, so they don't really open the packages as well. I kind of have to fight with them. She did send me 2 notepads, and they're both so pretty. This one says, "Which hope we have as an anchor of the soul," and that is Hebrews 6:19. Look how pretty that is. It has gold writing in black. I'm going to keep that on my makeup area, so when I'm filming, before I film, I can give myself little notes of points that I want to talk about. Because sometimes when I get on camera, I have all these things I want to say about whatever I'm doing or who I want to talk about, and they just completely go away when I get on camera. So I'm going to start jotting down little notes, so that's going to come in perfect. And then she got me this one. Look how pretty that is. All those really pretty colors. It says, "Give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good." Love that. I love the fact that it has scriptures. And then these little thank you cards from Hallmark. Didn't even know they sold these there. And these are really nice to have for whenever I do giveaways or just want to send somebody a thank you note. Just like a couple of friends besides Jessica sent me some gifts recently for my birthday. So I'm going to be giving them one of these. So thank you, Jessica, for that. You already took care of that for me. Now, I did, however, send her a ton of makeup. And I feel kind of bad because I didn't get her any of these other little guys like she did me. But I just kind of got overexcited and just kind of went overboard because they had so much new makeup that she said she hadn't seen in her town. So, yeah. This is one that I really did want, and I could not find at any of my local Dollar Trees. This is a Sassy and Chic BB Beauty Benefit Cream and Light 1. She uses this all the time on her channel. She loves it. She says it has really, really good coverage. and she really likes it a lot, so I'm really excited to have that, and we'll be using it here soon in a video. White Colors Lip Gloss, Moisturizing Lip Gloss. This is in Coral Crush. And I did see this at my local Dollar Tree, and even though I wanted it, I kept telling myself I don't need it. So I'm glad I didn't purchase it for myself because she got it for me. Excited to try that. She really loves those glosses. And then the LA Colors Finishing Powder and Light. I had seen this at my local Dollar Tree and I wanted this as well, but they didn't have it in my color. They only had deep and tan, so I did not pick one up, obviously. So the fact that she sent me this and I really, really wanted this, very, very happy. This is one of those items that's great to throw in your purse, just to touch up when you're out and about. Really nice to have in my purse for that reason. And she did send me a hard candy item, which is what I really wanted because I can't find any hard candy at my local Dollar Trees. This is the Fairy Dust Highlighter in Just Glow. Look how big that is. That is crazy. That is so pretty. I can't believe this was only $1. Can't wait to try that. We'll be trying that here very soon. Thank you for that. And then she sent me the Dove Beauty Cream. I have seen these as well. Comes in this little round tube here, and it is a 2.53 fluid ounce. I think I have bought one of these before, and it's very, very moisturizing, so I can't wait to give that a try. I don't remember what happened to the one I had, if someone took it or if I gave it away, I don't remember, but glad to have that. And then for the last goodies, she bought me a lot of goodies. So she sent me the Russell Stover caramels. They look like that. Caramel is one of my favorite candies. If you guys do not know, I love the Ghirardelli little caramel squares. It's milk chocolate with caramel inside. Those are my absolute favorite, so I'm gonna love trying those. She did send me Twix cookies and cream. I love Twix. I don't know if I've tried the cookies and cream. I may have, I just don't recall. And then she sent me Starburst all pinks, and these are my favorite. Whenever I was young, or even to this day, if I purchase Starburst, I think it's cool they finally came out with this. Buy Starburst, but I would only eat the pink and the red. I would not eat any of the other colors, so I love that it's all pink. And then this is Milky Way Salted Caramel. I've never had this one here, so I'm definitely going to be trying that. And then she sent me 2 of the Hershey's Gold Peanuts and Pretzels. Never tried that, so going to be trying that for sure. So let's go ahead and try one of these Milky Ways real quick and see what I think about them. But that is everything that she sent me. I'm so happy with everything. Like I said, I'm really glad that it wasn't a lot more makeup than she sent, because as you can see behind me, I definitely don't need any more, and I'm just like, whoa. I can't wait to see you film yours of everything I got you. Wow, it's really good. When you're taking a bite, you can taste kind of like the salty part. I feel the crunching of the salty part. It's really, really good. Definitely going to have to hide them from my kids because they will eat all my candy. And I take a long time to eat candy. That will last me a really, really long time. But if my kids get a hold of it, then it won't. That one thing. She did get me this container. It was full of lots of with a lot of those goodies. I love these at the Dollar Tree. I already have 2. This is going to just come in handy. I needed another one anyways, and I couldn't find them when I went back to the Dollar Tree. So thank you for this. These are great to store your rice, sugar, flour, whatever, you know, and beans. So yeah, I am so thankful for that. Jessica, thank you so much for everything that you sent me. I truly did enjoy everything, and I can't wait to use everything that you sent me. I'm so glad that we did this swap, and I cannot wait to see your video. So thank you so, so much, and also thank you for my little birthday extra. You appreciate it. But guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check her out. I will leave her linked down below. And Also, don't forget to enter that giveaway. It is going to be going on for another week, I think. I'm going to have it go till, so definitely go over and enter that giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.